Welcome to the Slop Temple. We pray this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn the jewelry business. First, research the market to find your unique niche, whether it's custom pieces or a specific style. Next, focus on developing your design and crafting skills, perhaps through courses or apprenticeships. Finally, outline a clear business plan covering your products, target audience, and financial projections. This foundational work is crucial for building a successful venture. To truly excel, you'll need to dive deep into the world of materials, understanding different metals, gemstones, and their properties. Familiarize yourself with various tools and crafting techniques, from soldering to stone setting. Equally important is mastering design principles to create appealing pieces. Also, learn how to price your items competitively while ensuring a healthy profit margin, perhaps aiming for a 50% markup on materials. Building a strong brand identity is key. Think about your logo, packaging, and overall aesthetic. Establish an online presence through a website or social media, and consider selling through craft fairs or boutiques. Efficiently manage your inventory to avoid overstocking or running out of popular items. Cultivating excellent customer relationships will also foster loyalty and positive word of mouth, which is invaluable for growth. For long-term success, continuously refine your crafting skills and adapt your business strategies based on market feedback. Networking with other jewelers and mentors can provide invaluable insights and opportunities. Remember to always seek new inspiration and stay updated on industry trends. Also, make sure to check the description below for a link to some fantastic leak-proof containers for easy meal prep, along with other great deals you won't want to miss.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.